Hello everyone, just a quick primer on how to set up your Zoom app so that when you get into a meeting your audio is muted and also your video is not showing, or to turn your video on. First thing, this is an Android device that I'm using, but generally speaking I think most platforms that the Zoom is on, it has this essential same look on the bottom. So first, just click on Settings and Meetings. And right now mine is set up where it's shown Auto Connect to Audio, which is call over Internet. You can turn that off or on. I just want to walk into that meeting and my audio is connected. Also, always mute my microphone. A lot of times you walk in and there is noise in your background or whatever, so you might want to mute your microphone, and this also helps in the sense of just keeping it quiet in your background and not disrupting the meeting. Always turn off my video. A lot of people don't like showing themselves on video, so this just turns it off and on. It's just a toggle off and on, and that's the two primary ones that most people play with. If we need to go into more detail, shoot me a text or make some comments, and I will do another video showing the rest of this. But that's it for right now. Always mute my microphone, always turn off my video. That's it.